Hi guys, Chef DJ McIntyre from Willamette Valley Vineyards. Have you guys been to the grocery store lately?
Where is the meat?
Meat is out right now, so we decided to do a meatless pairings today. We thought about doing something that would be really easy and simple to do at home, and we decided to work with one of the meatiest vegetables there is, and that's the portobello. Today we're going to make a portobello and fried onion burger. We are going to add into our portobello burger, we've got some Anaheim chilies, we've got our onion rings. I went ahead and fried some up ahead of time, but if you want to use the pre-bake, that's a-okay as well. And the next is using some greens, some local greens. I went to the farmer's market. I was able to get some pea vines, some scallions, some onions with a jalapeno and goat cheese spread that we'll put on the dish. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna first take our peppers and go throw these on the grill. Then we're gonna come back and take care of the mushrooms, so I'll be right back. We've got our grill at about 450 degrees, nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and throw this pepper right straight on there. You don't need any oil or anything. It's gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll let this cook for a little bit. So while we're doing that, we're gonna take our portobellos, and I went ahead and cut off the stems. You can keep the gills though, because that's really gonna add a lot of good flavor to it. And we're gonna take these guys, we're gonna oil them up. Like I said, I made a really nice little vinaigrette, took some pea vines, some scallions, and some shallots. We're gonna basically just kind of rub this all over and just liberally baste the portobellos. We decided to go with our vintage 44 Pinot Noir today. And this is gonna have some really nice cherry notes to it, also a lot of really good black pepper notes inside of here, some really good acidity and some nice tannins. And it's gonna hold up really nice with a lot of the herby flavors in here, but that, again, really nice meaty flavor from the portobello. From the time it took to get this mushrooms done, the chili pepper that's on the grill should be done. We're gonna go swap those out and let that chili pepper kind of cool down a little bit so we can deseed it and put these mushrooms on the grill. So follow me. Okay, yeah, I can tell by the char on this, that skin is gonna be nice and loose now. The meat inside will be cooked, but that pepper will fall apart, the skin will pull, and the seeds will pull right off. And we're gonna start with putting them on with the cap side down to start with, and then we're gonna swap that out and then go vice versa. This is gonna take about 10 minutes on the grill. Again, about 450 degrees. Portobellos are looking good. We're gonna do a quick flip on them. And another little baste on them. And give those about another 5 minutes to keep cooking. And while that's cooking, it's time to enjoy some wine. Okay, so now we're just gonna start by peeling off the skin. See how it just nicely, it just pulls right off, and then we'll deseed it. Make a real slight cut on the top, and then just kind of hold it, pull the seeds out, like so. We're gonna cut this pepper right about the same size as the burger itself, so nice little squares. All right, so we went ahead and threw our buns as well too on the grill. Now let's plate these guys up. From that original marinade we made, I went ahead and added a lot of cheddar to it, or goat's cheese. I just added a little bit of sauce to that and just kind of whipped it up. So that's gonna make a really nice creamy spread. We're gonna first start with our portobello. And I like to leave them whole, because I think it's just more fun to have them on there. And then next we're gonna take those peppers that we cut into small steaks and add that right on top. Who doesn't love a good onion ring on a burger? And then those fresh microgreens we got at the farmer's market, we're gonna add those on there. Right, and we're gonna top that, guys, so it's just like that. Make a nice little burger smile right at you. And I'll slice this guy up and enjoy. All right, look at that. It's got just enough juice inside of there. It's gonna be a really nice meaty portobello that have that nice crunch. It's gonna go great with the wine. So on that note, guys, I'm gonna eat this, enjoy my vintage 44. Cheers from Willamette Valley Vineyards again. Stay safe and we'll see you guys all soon. Bye, guys.